Don't freak out, but your girl is about to get an eye lift. It's so bright this morning and my eyes are feeling very sensitive today. Okay, I'm sitting completely against the light, but my eyes are so sensitive this morning. I don't know why. Good morning. Weekend vlogs are becoming a thing. मुझे actually realize हो रहा है कि weekends पे सबसे ज़्यादा चीज़ें होती हैं because in the week I'm so busy filming, doing virtual meetings and just preoccupied with work कि ज़्यादा like चीज़ें नहीं होती. But I have told myself I'm gonna do more daily vlogs, not wait for travel. यहाँ से ही मैं जितने डेली व्लॉग्स कर पाऊंगी, जो भी दिन एक्साइटिंग लगे, like I feel like the itinerary of the day should be exciting for you also. The first thing that's happening today is that I'm having breakfast and it's very exciting for me because I'm having an omelette sandwich after really long. You guys know I love my poha and I love my upma, I love my dosa. But I don't know why today I woke up with the thought of an omelette sandwich. My omelette has pyaz and it has cheese in it, just a little bit of cheese. If my trainer is watching this, he's gonna be like, ये चीज़ के बगैर कुछ नहीं करती. But बहुत ही थोड़ा चीज़ है, I promise. I've grilled it up. I mean, Paru Khala has grilled it up while I was in the shower. And yeah, I'm gonna go have nashta right now. Lots of things happening today, by the way. Jerry is in the loo, and this is literally how she waits for him outside the loo every morning because little Missy wants her treats. Can you believe it? This is what she does. Nebu, she literally waits for him outside the loo like this. Challenge for Saturday. Challenge number 1 is going to be to finally sit and open out all of these PR packages that have come from various brands. I, believe it or not, get lazy about opening PR packages, and pre-COVID time, Dhwani and I used to do this, or Payal and I used to do this together. But now these packages are just sitting here and they've basically hijacked my entire dining table. So I really need to clean it up, do the thank yous, and make space. I was driving and doing calls while I was driving, so I couldn't update you guys, but I've left the house and I've reached Linking Road. This is literally 3 minutes away from my house, which is perfect. Don't freak out, but your girl is about to get an eye lift. No, I'm not talking about an eye lift surgery or anything. I'm going in for an eye lift massage. I want to know more myself to be able to share it with you. So let's go inside. I have an appointment booked at this place called Mary Core Beauty Salon. They invited me for this. I was curious to know more. So let's go inside and find out. So I have Komal over here with me. Hi Komal.
Hi.
Okay, first thing, when you say eye lift to someone, they think they're gonna get injections, but this is a facial.
Yeah, this is a complete treatment for your eye surrounding area where we do not use any of the injectable, on your eye surrounding area. It's completely happens with the machine, and the machines are very safe and it is patented and unique. So it will not give you any kind of a side effect or no pain, no burning sensations, nothing.
Okay, so my biggest problem area, as you guys know, is I'm really happy with my skin in general. Oh God, touch wood, after the ups and downs. But my under eyes are like constantly have dark circles. It's genetic. It has nothing to do with how much water I drink because I literally walk around with a water bottle in my hand all the time. And it doesn't matter how much I've slept the previous night. This dark circle problem is just forever. So let's see how these look. This is like a little before shot. And we'll see how they look after the facial. Okay, I'm in my bra now with this gown on top, so I don't know how much I'll be able to vlog. I will try and get snippets, keeping my fingers crossed, okay, try. But obviously you'll see the after effect after the massage. Okay, I'm off for my facial. Okay, so I just got done with a 40-minute routine. This is what my eyes look like as of now. I think we need to give it some time for it to really like start showing, but it feels really nice and soothing. There was, all the lights were switched off in the room, so I really couldn't get much except for a few photos with the flash on. I feel like my eyes feel really nice and relaxed, which is a really good feeling. In one of the steps, they had something with micro currents almost being placed all around my eye. Initially, that was too much for me, and then we lowered it, and then I could like kind of, bear it. But this felt like a really nice, relaxing session dedicated to my eyes, which is pretty unique as an experience. I'm about to go do something. The most exciting thing that I'm going to do today, guys. Like, it's exciting to मेरे लिए कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. That is the service thingy that the Honda people forgot in my car because my car had gone for service a little while ago, last week. I'm about to go meet my parents. My parents, my whole family has been in quarantine for the last little over 2 weeks, something like that. My brother had tested positive. Alhamdulillah, he is fine, he is safe, he is tested negative, he is doing fine, he is recovered from COVID. But just to be like, I'm sitting in the car, why am I wearing the mask? Just to be responsible and just to be like extra careful. My parents, my family, nobody had left the house for 2 weeks. I was told by them not to come home, just to be on the safe side. And I miss the kids, and I miss my parents, and I miss my brother Bhabhi. I'm in the building right now. I have just parked. My dad said, make sure you are double masking if you come, because he's just extra careful about my immunity. So I have mask number 1, and now I look like a astronaut. Mask number 2. Gonna go up and meet my fam. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Hi. So I've been here for the past hour, 2 hours. Come down to 1 mask from 2. Rayan is busy playing some game. Hi. Hi. Come here. Come here. Coochie. No. You read my t-shirt. What's written on my t-shirt?
FEELGOOD.
And what does that mean? Feel good. Feel?
Good.
Ah! Stop tickling me. Say hi, guys. No. Stop tickling. Okay, I'm going home.
Bye, Poo.
Love you. Love you. I have to really struggle to get bhav from him when his video games are on. No bhav he gives. You love me more or video games more? Aww. But you are looking at that video game while saying you.
I'm trying to complete a challenge. I hate this video game anyways. I'm trying to get a challenge done so I can get rewards in another game.
Okay.
This game sucks.
Okay.
Then you just stay on video call and then I'll play only.
She's FaceTiming with her friends and he's playing video game. Bye, baby.
Bye.
Bye, love. I've been home for the past hour now, but I was driving and I had my AirPods in my ear until like literally right now. I was catching up with Mridul on the phone. Mridul and I haven't spoken in the last few weeks, so we were just catching up on everything happening in our lives and discussing what's coming up and what we're working on. I have this random swelling over here. I don't know if you can see it. See, now you can see it in this slide. It's like कोई चीज़ ने मुझे काटी है. I don't know, maybe it was the moisturizer, because I'm also seeing a little bit of a bump here. Not quite sure what it is, but it's time for an evening snack. I'm a little hungry. Let's go see what's in the kitchen. A friend of mine had a baby, so she sent a hamper full of cheese and crackers. So I'm having that. This is with truffle and chili and a couple of other things. I'm also literally on the first scene of the pilot of the Bold type. I've heard a lot about it. Literally just hit play. As you can see, I'm on 0-19 seconds. Let's see what all the fuss is about. So I do this thing once or twice a year when I go on like a shopping spree, which is all basics and all mostly. You guys must have seen my recent Zara haul that I shared over here on YouTube. I just got a bunch of things from Myntra. One of the things in that was like an H&M sports set, like a sports bra with really nice leggings, ribbed, super fitted. I'll pop up a picture over here for you. I just tried it on. I don't know if you guys can relate to this, especially if you're big breasted like me, like if you have a big cup size. The leggings fit so nicely in a size S, but the sports bra did not, like it fit. I shouldn't say it did not fit, it fit, but there was side boob coming out on both sides, which is really not nice. You want to feel good in your sports bra. Now the conundrum is, if I go up a size to an M, I don't know if it'll fit just as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and exchange it. There's no exchange, I have to return it, get the refund, and then purchase an M. The mess up is that the leggings are such a beautiful color, like the whole set is such a beautiful color, that I don't want to have one without the other. And you have an exchange period of 1 month. So I just want to make sure that I get the M size sports bra in time, and then just kind of see if it fits. If it fits, then I keep the leggings as well. If it doesn't fit, then I return both the pieces, which would be pretty heartbreaking because it's such a beautiful set. And I work out off late quite a lot, and I record a lot of like the footage for you guys as well. So I wanted to have like a really nice to look at kind of a workout piece. Let's see what happens. All the big booby girls over here, do you relate? These things happen to you as well? Please tell me I'm not alone. Having early dinner with my girlfriends. Hi Kari. It was her birthday in the last vlog that you guys saw, but it was really dark. Hi Ria.
Hi.
What are we eating? We're eating
Risotto.
Yes, we're eating food from Sorrentina by Food Hall. Lots of yummy looking food that we're about to dive into.
Please take my sexy lips.
I recorded that and I'm going to put that. We are tripping on green tea, clearly. Because you like to pour it. You are doing all the pouring. Ria is doing all the drinking. I've stopped at 2 cups.
Cannot be satisfied.
That just sounds wrong.
भैया बस बोल.
अरे
Bhaiya, bas bolo.
Thank you. Yes, guys. Cheers to
Cheers.
laughter and happily ever after.
Oh!
तुला पाहिजे?
नाही, मला नाही पाहिजे.
Same thing that I called. She's enjoying the pop flavored water. So cute.
Dibli.
I have no idea what she's doing. But as usual, we are playing Monodeal. Hi everyone. On a Saturday night. I don't know what she's doing. But the game is happening. It's in play. The vicious sides of everyone's personalities are coming out.
Hey, you'll get
So-
date, huh? देख अपने पति को क्या खिलाती है. श्रीमती खिलाती है.
I'm so glad I got that. So there's a team over here that likes to eat their arm with the heart in slices. There's me who likes pieces, and then there's Jerry who finished eating the arm or whatever, and now he's eating extra chilka because I don't know. I guess I just married a weirdo in that sense. Guys, do you also leave a comment and tell me if you also eat the chilka of your arm? Because the rest of us are pretty scandalized, shall I say?
No, I'm not.
No,
No, I am.
I am also. She is also.
waiting to see the gutli being eaten. What are you saying? Even you don't eat gutli?
I don't eat gutli. It's too messy. Morning. It is Sunday morning. It's 9:30 a.m. My friends left at around 4 in the morning, but somehow I'm up since 7:30. I managed to get a whole bunch of work done. Just tuning in to say bye to you guys over here because I realized this vlog doesn't have a sign out. I'm going to sit edit it and get it out to you guys as soon as I can. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to hit that bell button before you go away. And the secret code for today's video is Weekend Feels. I want to know exactly which of you is making it towards the end of this videos. And don't forget to tell me what you thought of it in the comment below when you leave that secret code down there. I love you all so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye.